Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get a beacon in Hypixel Skyblock. Beacons are incredibly useful items that provide significant buffs to your island and even your entire profile. To obtain one, you'll need to gather specific resources and reach a certain mining milestone. Once crafted, you'll learn how to power it up and unlock its full potential, enhancing your gameplay experience with valuable effects. To craft your very first beacon, you must first achieve Mithril Collection Level 9. This unlocks the essential crafting recipe. Once unlocked, you'll need to collect 5 pieces of glass, a full stack of 64 Starfall, and 3 full stacks of Enchanted Mithril. Remember, each piece of Enchanted Mithril requires 160 regular Mithril, so get ready for some serious mining. Once you have your beacon, it needs power to function. You'll craft power crystals in the forge, each requiring 256 Starfall. A single power crystal will keep your beacon running for up to 48 hours, providing consistent buffs. Simply open your beacon's graphical user interface and place the power crystal inside to activate its beneficial effects across your island. Upgrading your beacon to higher tiers significantly boosts its power. You'll use refined mithril and plasma in the forge to achieve these upgrades. Each tier increases the beacon's range, enhances minion speed buffs, and provides more powerful profile-wide stats like magic find or ability damage. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your real-life space as clean as your Skyblock island.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.